Okay, so we're trying to put in a pi in a triangular prism. So a box that looks kind of like this, right? I guess like that. Okay. So the key here is that this is a circular shape, and this is the top of the box. Okay. This is the radius, which is given to be 23 divided by 2, so it's going to be 11.5. Now this has to be an equilateral triangle so that this is an optimal shape. And in an equilateral triangle, okay, the center of the circle is called a centroid. So this is the center of the circle where all these called medians meet. Okay, that is equivalent to the radius here. Now I'm not going to prove it here, but this length from the vertex to the center of the circle, which is called a centroid, this length is always double the length of this. So if this is r, this is 2r. Okay, this particular fact will allow us to get the height of the box. Right, so the top here is for surface area. We need the height times base, right? So base, base, we also need to do some special work here. So if this is r, right, if this is r, we know this is the same as this. So this is 2r. Do you see how we have a right angle triangle here? So by Pythagorean theorem, right, Pythagorean theorem, if this is r and this is 2r, this is going to be, so let me just call that x squared plus r squared is equal to 2r squared, which is 4r squared. So x squared is 4 minus 1, 3r squared. So x is root 3r. This is root 3r, okay? Which means this is double that. So this base is double root 3. Okay, r is given to be 11.5 times by the height is 3r. So 3 times 11.5, all divided by 2, but there's one on the top and there's one on the bottom. So we have to double this anyways. Let me actually evaluate x. 0.9, which means 2x is 39.8. So this length here, which is important to find the bottom here, is 39.8. So this length is 39.8, and we know that we want this to be 5, the thickness of the box. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 of those. So 5 times 39.8. Okay, it's a rectangle, so it's just length times width. And we have one side, 2 here, and the third one we cannot see. So times by 3. Okay, so that's 1971.38 centimeter squared.